Yes?
Now the number 2 in the government. What is he doing?
The number 2 in the government. Yeah. The number 2 in government is the one who is telling us that we are shareholders in that government, knowing that he's lying. If he is a shareholder himself, Gachagua is a shareholder in government, and whoever else feels he's a shareholder because they have government appointments, that does not represent the rest of us. That is regarding Gachagua and his office. It does not represent Mount Kenya because he never talks about Mount Kenya. People have been dying in Lamu, Kikuyus. People are being harassed in Eldoret. I have not heard him talk about Lamu. I have not heard him talk about Nyamakema traders. But he's telling us we are shareholders. Hiyo ni kiti yake yeye mwenyewe. Haituhusu. Yeah, haituhusu. So that is his position. As regarding Gachagua, it does not belong to Mount Kenya or to the Kikuyu community. Thank you very much. Yes. Yes? Yes?
To restructure Jubilee Party to enable you to make it strong again.
How are you going to restructure Jubilee?
Are you going to restructure the leadership of the party? And also maybe move from Azimio coalition?
No, we are in Azimio coalition to stay. That is our coalition, and that is why we are going to work with other leaders and other communities to build a very strong movement. Yenye itangoa Ruto kwa hiyo kiti. So we are staying in Azimio and we are very united. These stories you are hearing, they are sponsored stories to say that Azimio is divided. I don't know who is here, who is no. Azimio is together. Yes. And we are going to fight this battle together. And about restructuring of Jubilee, the most important thing right now for Jubilee is to start from the grassroots. Building up. We cannot just be a party that talks from up there, but mashinani hatuna watu. So as you've been seeing our Secretary General, Kioni, moving from one county to another, just trying to bring people together at the grassroots level. We are having, we are having leaders, young leaders, appointing young leaders to lead Jubilee in different counties. You saw him and our party chairman, David Murathe in Lamu, also defending our people. So we are building this party. We are restructuring, but from bottom, from the bottom as we build to a very high, to a very strong leadership at the top. Thank you very much.
The new onslaught.